Once upon a time, there was a town where nothing had its own name. The shops were just shops with no names. The school was just a school. Even the people didn't have names.
Wife, where is dog?
Dog is outside.
Okay, see you later, wife.
Goodbye, husband.
Not even the pets had names.
Hey, dog. Come here, dog. Not you, dog. And not you, dog. There you are, dog. Let's go. Oh, hi, kid next door. Hi, kid who lives down the street.
Hi, neighbor man who lives in the blue house.
This town wasn't on a map because it didn't have a name. But all that changed the day King Grammar rode in to the town with no name.
Welcome to town. But what's the name of this town?
What's a name?
A name is what you call a particular person, place, thing, or animal so you can talk about it. It's like this. My name is King Grammar. What's your name? What do people call you?
Man, of course. And this is dog.
Please call me King Grammar. That's my name.
What exactly is a name again?
Listen, my horse's name is Traveler. Your life would be so much easier with names.
These are strange words you're saying. But I welcome you to our town anyway.
And what do you call this town?
Town, of course.
So King Grammar accompanied the man into town. He wanted all the people to know about names.
In that shop, we buy our meat. In that shop, we buy our bread. And here is where we buy our clothes.
Listen, good people of town, you really need to get a name for this place. Let me explain. Words like man, dog, and house that we use to talk about people and animals and places and other things, those are called nouns. In fact, the words for all the things that we can see around us right now are nouns. Shop, horse, street, your town, even my bugle. We use a noun like man for every man, so we call it a common noun. But if you want to talk about one particular person, then you need to have a name for that person that is different from what you call other men. Take me, for example. I'm a man, but my name is King Grammar, not man. When you say my name, I know you're talking about me, see? Not some other man. A noun like that, which is the name of something, is called a proper noun. With proper nouns, you can tell which person you are talking about in this town of... Oh, dear. The town of Proper. We're going to call this town Proper. That's good. But the first letter of a proper noun is always a capital letter. So let's fix that.
You know, I like that.
Hello there, William. Yes, your name will be William. And your dog, Bella, is quite pretty. Tommy's Tailor Shop. The Muffin Man Bakery. Great Chops Butcher Shop.
Can a school have a name?
Of course, every school has a name.
I say we call it King Grammar Elementary School.
Right. What a beautiful name. And this is a beautiful town. I think I'll stay a while.